Hello. Now we will study that what will happen if I earth a conductor. So this is my conductor. This conductor might be having some charge or it might be uncharged as well. So I'm putting the plus Q charge here onto the conductor and I'm taking the random shape. So if this conductor, if I connect this conductor with this earth, this is the earth, what is going to happen with the charge as well as the potential onto the conductor? That's what we want to know. So before going into the detail, let's talk about the earth. So as we all know, the size of the earth is quite large compared to whatever conductors we are going to take into account. So compared to the size of conductors, the size of earth is quite large. So compared to the charge density inside the conductor, the number of electrons as well as the protons inside the earth will be quite large, corresponding to its size. So if this is the earth, and if I put some electron into the earth, or if I extract some electron from the earth, obviously there will be some change in potential, but that change in potential of the earth will be approximately negligible, because if you see, the formula for potential is V is proportional to Q upon R. So the potential is proportional to charge, whatever charge you are putting inside the earth or you are extracting outside of the earth. And that is inversely proportional to R. R is generally the dimension. It is a dimension of the body, which in this case is earth. So you see, if there will be some value of Q, but the value of R will be quite large. Since value of R will be quite large compared to the values of Q, it is approximately infinity compared to these conductors. So potential of the earth by putting some electron inside and extracting some electron from the earth will not be changed. So potential of the earth, we can assume it will remain constant, and if it can remain constant, I'll be assuming the potential of earth to be 0. So we always assume that potential of earth is 0, and that potential of earth don't change if I put some electron inside the earth and if I extract some of the electron from the earth because of its large size. So that's the thing. So the potential of earth will always remain 0. So what will happen if I'm going to connect a conductor with earth? If I'm going to connect a conductor with earth, so we all know that electrons flows from the lower potential to higher potential, or we can say the positive charge flows from higher potential to lower potential. And this charge flow happens till the potential at both the ends becomes same. So if I'm having 2 points, I'm calling this one A and this is B. And if these 2 points are connected, there will be a flow of charge, positive or negative. There will be a flow of charge which will happen between A and B. If VA was not equals to VB initially, if the VA and VB was not same, and if I connect these 2 points with the help of some conductor or with the help of some medium which can across which the electrons can move, the conducting medium. If the A and B points are connected with a conducting medium, and if the potential of A and potential of B is not same, in that case the charge will flow. And it will flow, charge will flow. And this charge will flow till VA and VB will become same. So in normal case scenario, since potential of A and potential of B, they keep changing. But in case of earth, if I'm going to connect anybody with earth, the electrons will start flowing from either from the earth to the conductor or from the conductor to the earth till both the bodies, meaning conductor and the earth, they will achieve the same potential. But the thing is, potential of earth cannot change. So the potential of conductor will become 0 in the end at equilibrium. So the moment you are going to connect a conductor with the earth, the electron flow will start happening. The charge flow will start happening either from conductor to earth or from earth to the conductor till the potential of conductor becomes same as the potential of earth, which is 0. So electron will flow, charge will flow till the potential will become 0. That's the meaning of earthing. So whenever we are going to earth any conductor, the earth will make the potential of that conductor 0 in the end. And to make the potential 0, earth might extract some of the electron from the conductor, or it might put some electron inside the conductor. So this is the thing, we have to memorize this thing. So upon earthing, Upon earthing, conductor's potential becomes 0. So the moment you are going to earth a conducting body with the earth, finally their potential is going to be 0. That is the concept of earthing of conductor. I hope you understood that. We'll solve some of the problems with using this concept. Okay, thank you.